Gideon. I am the collision shop manager here at West. I really started off with a lot of support from my peers and coworkers. From the minute you get here, you're made to feel very comfortable. You can see ongoing learning, ongoing development. Everyone from the CSRs to the body techs to the detailers, it really feels like everyone wants you to succeed when you're here. I believe in a very strong customer service background, and when you come to D&S, you can feel that from the moment you get in the door, and it makes you want to invest in your craft. You are provided the tools, the training to further your abilities, and it's really up to you to kind of put that to work. D&S has just been great, giving you all the opportunities to succeed. We are fully Tesla structurally certified, so not only can we do superficial repairs such as a door dang, a fender bender, we actually have the ability to possess the entire Tesla parts catalog. So with being fully structurally certified, we are able to replace structural components on the vehicle such as a quarter panel, a front apron. These are components that not every body shop, unless you are certified, has access to. So down to replacing your battery, we can truly do every repair required on a Tesla to get it back to you in full operating order. One of the fortunate things we have here at our West location, this is truly one-stop shop. We have frame racks, we have 2 full-time paint booths, we have an alignment rack in-house. We can mount and balance our own wheels and tires. We're fortunate enough to have Defender Auto Glass internally, so we have an in-house glass company. We can replace glass, pull glass for the repair process. And then to kind of wrap it all up, we have the ability to do most automakers' calibrations in shop. So we're not subletting to a dealer and sending the vehicle out. It truly can be a one-stop shop for you, which will help speed up your repair process and get your vehicle back to you sooner. We are certified in many makes and models. We can take your vehicle as far as a full frame replacement. That's not something you would encounter at a lot of body shops out there. So that ties back into investing in ourselves, investing in our company, and in return you get a speedy, expedited repair and a safe repair back to the customer. One of our pillars here in this shop that supports our culture is the amount of passion that every individual has. From our detail department to our CSRs up front to our body techs, everyone's working toward the same goal. We love being professional, we love being cutting edge, we want to be your one-stop shop, and it's really rewarding seeing the team come together to deliver one customer's car. You have so many hands that go into doing it, and we truly pride ourselves on excellence. We're always chasing perfection, and it is tough to achieve, but when you have a team, an entire shop dedicated to that perfection and that achievement, it makes for a really great repair. We do have 3 CSR roles. These are customer service representatives. This is someone who can really hold your hand throughout your repair process. You're going to be kept informed by not only your estimator/writer, you're going to be kept informed throughout the repair process. So when your parts arrive, you're going to know. When your vehicle's going in the body, you're going to know. When it's going into paint, etc. You're going to be kept informed, and you're going to have a point of contact that you can easily be accessible to throughout your repairs. We do have an accessories department in-house. So there is a lot of items such as car starters. Taking it as far as custom wheels, bumper options, custom work, we can choose to do that at any time really throughout the repair process here. Our customers will have the benefit of being able to have these items installed on their vehicles. And that's another thing I think that separates us from our competition. A lot of this, once again, it's in-house. We can truly make it a very seamless interaction for you, and we can handle the dirty work.